Good morning, my students. Today we're going to talk about arrays, right? The work that we did on Tuesday on functions, we're going to incorporate that into our array. An array, in my case, I'm declaring it an array called distance, is a data structure with all the elements that they're the same. So in this case, I've got 5 elements. That's where I declare it. It's 5, and all the elements are integers. This is where I'm going to be calling up the array in a function called getData. So in line number 38, control is transferred from line 38 all the way to getData. There we go, line number 4. In line number 4, the function is called getData, and this is a parameter. You'll notice on Tuesday we transferred, or we passed across one value as a parameter. Here we're going to be transferring or passing across the entire array. My array is called member. And because member has 5 elements running from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 gets transferred or passed across at one go. That makes life easy. Because we're using an array, I told you, the loop that we're going to use is a for loop. There's my for loop. It's starting from position 0 and goes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's where I'm entering in my values into my array. When I come out of this array, the function getData, I go to display the contents. Inside display the contents, you'll notice I'm passing across the parameter distance. Distance is an array of 5 elements. Control is transferred from line 39 all the way to display. There's it, display the array. That's the name of the function. And there's my parameter that I'm passing. All 5 values get passed at one go. Okay, ignore this add 10. That's supposed to be homework. So here's my for loop. My for loop, it runs from 0 to 1, 2, 3, 4, and I simply display all my values in here. It's nothing new from what I taught you. Here's my cout statement. If it was one value, I would have said cout member. But now, because we're talking about an array, there's my subscript I, there's my square brackets which we defined earlier on. Once all values are displayed, it goes to line number 41, summer. Well, it's not the summer, winter, autumn we're talking about. This is to find all the total values inside the array. And here it is. Here's it. Now I'm not going to go through all of this. You will have to run through that on your own. Let's run the program. I'm already 3.5 minutes. Let's run the program. Build and run. Enter, please enter in a value 0. So there we go. That's line number 8 running. And according to what I have on the board, 10. So if this was a distance, I maybe traveled 10 kilometers on day 0, which is our day 1. 20, 40, 15, 15. Notice my sum would be 100. I like to work with 100. It's easy to find the average of that. Enter. This is the display of the array. Okay, I need to work on my output. The sum of all the elements is 100. The average is 20. All right. Now for homework, I'd like you to try out where you go and add, let's say 10 kilometers per to each array element, and basically work out this, run the program again. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed my short video on arrays. It's going for 5 minutes. Please download it. Please go and click on the YouTube to increase the number of views. Thank you.